On one of Europe's most heavily protected borders, thousands of migrants suddenly began crossing from Morocco into the Spanish enclave of Ceuta. Within hours, the situation developed into one of Spain's largest border security operations in recent history. Ceuta is a small Spanish territory on the northern coast of Africa and represents one of only two land borders between the European Union and Africa. For years, the area has been a target for illegal migration, but the events at the end of July 2026 were exceptional because of both the speed and the scale of the crossings. Spanish authorities said misinformation circulating on social media and rumors spread by smuggling networks encouraged thousands of people to attempt the journey at the same time. Large groups approached the border fence, while others entered the water and swam around the barriers toward Spanish beaches. Guardia Civil officers, national police units, and Spanish soldiers secured entry points, directed crowds away from residential areas, and transported migrants toward processing and return locations. Helicopters, patrol boats, armored vehicles, and additional officers were deployed throughout the operation. Rather than relying only on physical barriers, Spanish authorities focused on controlling movement after the crossings occurred. Security forces established temporary checkpoints, separated groups, protected civilians, and coordinated with Moroccan authorities to organize returns. Within roughly 2 days, officials reported that most migrants had already returned to Morocco, while security remained reinforced along both the land and maritime border. The Ceuta incident demonstrated how quickly misinformation, migration pressure, and organized smuggling networks can overwhelm even heavily protected borders.